Hi again, I have one more product to review here. It is the prenatal Vinyasa yoga workout, and it's 60 minutes for all trimesters. If you know me, you know I'm a yoga fanatic, and while I was pregnant, I wanted to continue doing yoga, but I wanted to make sure I was doing poses that were appropriate and not strenuous while pregnant and not in any way harmful to my baby. So I was really happy to receive this product, and it's by Mommy Does Yoga. It says yo yogineology.com. Anyway, I watched this and I did do a lot of the poses. I did try it out. I loved it because it is really good yoga. It's still yoga. It's just the moves are ad adapted to, like for pregnancy. I'm for well, yeah, for pregnancy, for pregnant women. You can do these moves without, like I said, without causing any harm or without being strenuous to your body while you're pregnant. There's actually some really good moves in here that you can continue to do after pregnancy as well. So you can continue, toning up that body, keeping it lean, keeping it relaxed. It helps you feel better, feel more calm. That's what yoga does. That's why I love yoga. I've been doing yoga forever. And I do recommend this sort of thing if you need to relax a little bit. You want a light exercise while you're pregnant or afterwards, or even if you're not pregnant, you can try some of these moves. This is a really good DVD actually. All the moves I think are fairly easy to do. If you don't know how to do them, they might take a little practice, to hold certain poses, but they're really overall not that hard to do. I enjoyed this, and like I said, I recommend it to pregnant women who are interested in getting into yoga. If you've never done yoga before, this is a good one, or even if you have done yoga before, this is also a good one to try out. So, yes, recommended, and I'll tell you more about it on my blog. And the link to my blog will be at the bottom of this video, and more information about this DVD will be on my blog. Okay, bye guys.